We haven't seen for a while. I've been away from YouTube for several months and I've been really missed. But for some reasons I didn't upload, and I'm gonna share some of my experiences, what are news in my life. I changed it a lot. I think mentally, physically, I think so. So I just want to talk about them, and I also want to talk about some products I'm recently enjoying, and they're all new. So today's vibe, not today's vibe, but the rest of 2023, the vibe is for me, it's like new me, new life, that kind of stuff. Because I've been through some difficult times and I really decided I want to make things turn around. So I'm very excited to share my experiences. I'm not gonna tell them in detail because I think that's not necessary, and I feel like that's too much. That's too personal and that's too much private. If you're ready to have a good time and kind of relaxing time with me, it's the right spot. Anyway, let's get right into it. I told you guys I haven't been uploading YouTube videos for some reasons. I just put a lot of effort to improve some parts of my life, and I just exhausted myself. I hurt myself physically, not physically because I exercised every day and I eat healthy. Physically, I think I take care of myself very well, excepting sleep. I had like not patterns, but because of some worries I have, I just keep waking up while sleeping, so I was not really well slept, and I just lack many good things in life for some future benefits. I feel like I hurt myself too much mentally, also physically. In terms of sleep, I really realized that, so I decided I'm not gonna hurt myself anymore. So it takes some time to reconstruct my thoughts and reorganize what I wanna do, what I wanna achieve, that kind of stuff. So it takes several days, but I feel like I changed it pretty quickly. So yeah, I feel very good, better. So I'm in front of this camera with you guys. So that's the one thing I learned very well with a lot of payment, but I feel like it's worth. I realized that self-care and self-love is just everything, and I think that's one of my life purpose. Feeling good about myself and doing my best to give the best possible life for me instead of criticizing me, instead of feeling like I'm not worthy, I'm not enough, you know, that kind of like negative self-talk. I've been doing that a lot. Anyway, I just torture myself emotionally, but the point is tortured. So that's gone. I just released all the past, and I just want to be new me and new life, and I'm open to many good changes. I'm feeling they are coming. So that's the thing, like in my personal life, and I've been changing many things about my appearance. I mean, I didn't get any plastic surgery. I recently dyed my hair, not like all parts of my hair, but I got some like highlight here and there, so it looks a little bit lighter. Don't you guys think so? I got this hair color a few days ago. Actually, it's very easy for me because my mom is a hair designer, so I can go there, and if she's not busy I can get, but she's not really busy because it's been raining in Korea all week. So my hair color changed, and yesterday I got eyelash permed. Anyway, it's not a sponsored video. Ooh, I dropped a tape, scotch tape. Actually, I tried the day before yesterday, but I failed. I feel like it was too difficult comparing to my expectations. I told that to my mom, and actually she did this a few years ago for her customers, so she is skillful, so she did that for me. And she told me like I have like a really very strong eyelashes. It was a bit difficult to curl my eyelashes using the glue, but finally she figured out, and the solution was a tape. So she used the tape to attach my eyelashes to the kind of a rubber thing, eyelash rubber thing, so I have to curl my eyelashes into that rubber thing. I didn't do any mascaras, but I feel really satisfied it. So I told her, like, oh, I really want to learn how to do this. Please film that videos later so I can learn, and I want to do that for her. So that's my plan, and if I get skillful, I want to share how to do this well, because you know this kit is like less than 40 bucks. You know, getting this eyelash perm at a shop, it cost me more than 40 bucks, so I saved $40 literally, and I had a good time with my mom, but she was a bit like frustrated because of my eyelashes. And I recently changed my tanning lotion. There you go. I uploaded some tanning lotion review videos before about Banana Boat and Belda, I forgot the name. But they just keep raising their price and I cannot keep up with that. I'm not happy about that, so I changed it. Dove Summer Glow. The texture is very watery. I love the color. It's very natural and it's very moisturizing, and the color is good. And the quantity is huge compared to its price. 400 milliliters, so I'm happy about it. I got 2 of them, so I usually do self tanning every 2 days, every 3 days. If I'm not really lazy, I do every 2 days, but sometimes that's too much. So yeah, these are the things I've got new: the eyelash perms kit and this new tanner and my appearance. And this is I talked to guys, I hurt myself mentally, so I've been really practicing self-care and self-love, and I've been listening to Louise Hay's audiobooks and some affirmations. Actually, I've already listened all of her speakings and teachings, but I just want to re-listen because her voice is very soothing, and some ideas she's been teaching is very resonated with me. Taking care of myself, loving myself is the most important thing, especially when things are not working out. The main problem is not liking and loving ourselves, so we just kind of hurting and kind of making a wall around us to get good things in my life. And I feel like I'm that kind of person for many reasons, so I feel like I need to release many things from my past and also release some worries about the future, that kind of stuff. So I feel really good today, and I've been working on my mindset, mainly my thoughts. So I'm doing that kind of stuff, and I might share some of them because I know many people are also struggling like me to love ourselves and accepting ourselves. So yeah, that's the thing. And I also changed my makeup today. I wanted to kind of like summery, glowy makeup look, so I used a lot of pearls and different color of eyeshadow because I think that the one I used was expired, that was too old, so I used a different one, a little bit brownish color and a lot of pearls. Actually, I broke my cheek again. I dropped that again, so I have to buy a new eyeshadow palette and cheek, many clothing. I have a plan to shop because I postponed going shopping. I will change my job soon. I'm just applying these days. The previous job was not really fulfilling to me, so I'm very excited to get new opportunities, new life, new me. That's the whole vibe. I told you, oh yeah, I forgot the cheek. Actually, I dropped, so I don't have, so I used eyeshadow. So it's very pearly, but I like it. Yeah, so these are the things all I want to share for this video. I told you guys I have a plan to go shopping, so I will share many fashion, beauty, and also fitness related video. Definitely I will get new items, and I also want to talk about some self-care and self-love, self-growth, all the good things in life, and I think they are very beneficial for all kinds of people. And if you're watching my video, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I will upload at least 1 or 2 videos a week, and I have some time next week too, so because I'm in transition from one job to the other, so I don't have like a specific like a schedule right now, so I have some time to work on If you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion video, lifestyle and fitness related video every week, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet. Anyway, thanks for watching it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!